Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Honda HR-V remote key battery. This is a simple task you can do yourself in just a few minutes. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in so you don't misplace any tiny components. It's a quick fix that will give your key fob new life and reliable performance. Now let's open up the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side where the key ring attaches. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a careful, slight twisting motion, you can pry the two halves of the fob apart. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. It should separate with minimal effort. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before you remove it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Then, use your screwdriver to carefully pop out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one. Finally, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, which confirms they are securely sealed. Once reassembled, immediately test all the remote functions, like locking and unlocking your doors, to ensure the new battery is working perfectly. You've successfully replaced your key fob battery.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.